have here the Surf Time covered jar coming in right at about 4.5 inches tall and about 4 inches wide. So you can get an idea of how big it is. But first impressions, this little jar instantly adds a splash of beach charm. Love it. Hand painted details. Little tiny flip-flops, starfish, the little seagull. I love the ombre blue beach tones. It really makes this feel special with the sand and not like a mass-produced item. The resin texture, it has like a sand finish. It's subtle and super fun. What I love, coastal theme done right. It really nails that beach vibe without going overboard. It is cheerful, it is tasteful, and it's going to be great in my guest bathroom. Or this would work in a beach house or any coastal themed space. It is functional and it is durable. As I said, the resin is solid, easy to wipe clean, just gorgeous. And it's a small touch that's going to make a big difference in the themed spaces. This could also be used to make a sweet gift for somebody with a coastal or a nautical themed room or space. Final verdict, cute, quality, and totally on theme. This covered jar is more than just a bathroom storage piece. It is decor that makes you smile. It is so cute.